Hey guys, welcome back to my video. It's Daisy, and today I'm going to be playing Brookhaven. So let's go. I'm not doing that well. I think I should just go clean. I don't know. This town is literally so empty. I'm gonna go up there and see what's. There's like only one house on this block. Oh my god. I'm gonna just park here. So I can get my house. Come on, there's my back. I was too late. No baby. I don't want any babies. Just a minute. She's so cool. But she's so cool. That's so true. Made it out alive, but I think I lost it. Said that I was fine, said it from my coffin. Remember how I died when you started walking? That's my life, that's my life. I was so tired, I put up a fight, taking out my earrings. Don't you know the vibe? Don't you know the feeling? Catch you from the night, catch me on your ceiling. That's your price. Okay, did you? A ring. Okay, I'm just gonna go drive around Brookhaven. Let me drive quickly. Oh my god.